Hi, I am building Stamped and this is a demo of it. Stamped is a capture verification platform that combines trusted camera capture, cryptographic proof generation, decentralized documentation using fileverse, and a very privacy preserving wallet infrastructure powered by BitGo. Let's walk through the workflow. First, the user comes in, he sees there is a resizable watermark of time, date, and location, as well as the note where I can put anything. I can zoom in and zoom out and edit the image as much as I want through my app itself. Apart from that, I set my workspace by logging into Google, and my workspace is created immediately. In the workspace, I can see that I can add members, I can edit members, I can see what are the members' status, what are the images that the members are clicking, and I can also add projects where I can see the photos of by the members, the verified photos of the members on chain, and the attendance of all the members that they have taken, and also the reports, the decentralized reports. Coming back, the most important part is the wallet system, the in privacy protected wallet system by BitGo. What I have implemented is there is a standby wallet generated of the workspace itself, and each and every user that joins in has a distribution wallet. So in the standby wallet, whatever the balance that is there, I can as a owner of the workspace, I can distribute that balance through payout to other members. So let's proceed to payout dashboard. Yeah, so this is the payout dashboard where I can see the treasury balance, I can see the members which are present, and also any kind of payments that were already done and to whom. So let's proceed into paying someone. I send a payment, and after a while the confirmation comes. As you can see that the latest payment has been done on 0.001 ETH to Utso Sarkar. Now I can also refresh the balance, and it refreshes automatically in the workspace itself. Coming back to the photo section, what it does is whenever I click on this photo, it verifies the image, it generates a hash, and clicks the photo in the capture time itself. It also detects if there is any device attestation or not, if the device is rooted or not, so that any kind of game can be prevented. Apart from that, let's move on to preview and see how the images are showing. Now this was the latest image that I clicked, the latitude, longitude, altitude, and all other information are there, along with view on map section where I can see where the image was actually clicked on. Now there's a hash that is embedded into this image. How it is embedded into the pixels of the image, and wherever the pixels are the highest, the most information is there. As a result, the pixel is embedded with the information of my hash. And what this allows is any kind of compression, any kind of screenshot, and it also survives, the hash survives even after the screenshots and compression. Okay, let's move on to select the image and then generate the proof and move it to on-chain. So you can see the proof is generated and the transaction ID was there. Now I can see that the given proof is generated, and I can open it and in the Ether scan, and I can see the proof generated. Alright. Moving forward from the image portion, I can also select a project. If I select a project port and then click on the image, it will automatically verify, it will automatically move on to the port project. So the image that I clicked will be moving on to port. Let's check on port. You can see that the image. Let's move on to port. You can see the image has been uploaded, and the verified image can also be shown with the hash and all the other information of the image. I can also download as a workspace owner and share the image to any kind of place, in WhatsApp, etc. Apart from that, let's move on to report section where all the images that were there is present, and also there's a history section where I can see all the reports that I have been generating and all the doc links as well. And also I can upload those reports to a specific project of a specific workspace. Okay, let's select some of the images and generate a report on fileverse. I can see this is the editable report. I can import here ETH Mumbai. What it does is I go to the preview, I see how it is supposed to look, and I generate a report. The report has been generated, and I can view the report on fileverse with all the information that was present in the report itself. I can see that the capture time value and everything is present. Okay, now coming back to see that the report history has included this report also, and I can upload it to a project. Now moving back to time in and out, this is another feature that we have included that says that if in a workspace, in a project, I can say I started a shift. It says that the person has started the shift, and the timer starts from then on, and the person can take a break, and accordingly he can end the break and end the shift itself. And each of the sections, in each of the options that was clicked, image was automatically captured and verified in real time and uploaded to the workspace itself, such that all the owners of the workspace can see if the worker has actually worked or not. These are the images that were there, break in, break time, and according to the date, it is changing, and that's it. We also have another feature for verify images. So whatever the images that are getting circulated from this app itself, they need to be verified in some way or the other. And through verification, through the verify image portion, I can select an image supposed to be verified. I take one of these images, for example this one, and I see that the image is actually verified. And there is the integrity hash. This is the hash that is being embedded into the image itself in the pixels, and of the hash itself, the ZK is generated. Okay. And the other details. So it verifies if the image is actually real and actually taken on capture in the phone itself from my application. We have also thought about proceeding into a SDK plugin play system, and which companies can integrate into their application. For example, fraud detection. For example, any kind of insurance claims, they can integrate into their own application, into their own website, and use our SDK to verify if the image is actually real and not any AI generated image. Thank you.